Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight,
hey Frank, Vito's on the phone for you.
Who? Vito? What does he want? All right, go ahead, put him on speakerphone. Let's see what he wants. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
It's me. Me. You know me.
me who?
Me. You know me. Me.
Yeah, how you doing?
Not good. Not good. Whoever did that thing to, you know who, that good friend of mine? Yeah, they're trying to do that to me now, and I'm having a lot of feelings about that. And I'm trying to get some closure.
What kind of feelings?
I'm very angry. I'm feeling very angry about that. I'm enraged. I'm feeling very, very mad about that.
Why are you telling me?
Why am I telling you? What, like you don't know about it?
No.
You don't know nothing about it?
No.
Okay, well, whatever. I'm just trying to tell you about my feelings and that I'm angry, and that anger is a blocked wish, and that I'm looking forward to seeing you next week at that thing, and I can unblock that anger wish, and then hopefully you make one more move on me, you cut off your balls, I'll shove them up your I'll bury you, I'll put ice picks in your eyes, I'll chop out your eyes and send them to your family for dessert. You understand me?
Hey Vito, go yourself.
You
We'll get a dictionary and find out what this closure thing is. If he's gonna hit us with it, I wanna know what it is. Sorry for the interruption, folks. Sometimes business gets in the way, if you know what I mean. But anyway, we're gonna be making tonight a beautiful grilled eggplant. It's so easy, it's so simple, anybody can do it. Stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, our ingredients are very simple. We have some balsamic glaze, sea salt, black pepper, about 2 cloves of minced garlic, an eggplant, extra virgin olive oil. We're going to start out by pushing this all aside, taking our eggplant. I've already washed it. We're going to cut off the top, trying to waste as little eggplant as possible. There it goes. There's the top and the bottom, and we're going to cut it into discs. Try to be about a quarter inch, so they'll cook very thoroughly. If you make them too thick, it'll take too long to cook. So that's about the measurement right there. You can see it. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to salt both sides of the eggplant. Okay, lightly salted. And I'll place them inside this colander. This is going to take some of the bitterness and the water out of the eggplant. You have a little leftover salt here on the board. You can just put it through like that. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take a plate like this. We're going to place it on here, and we're going to put a heavy weight on top of this just to compress it down. And we're going to leave it like this for about 30 minutes, and we'll come back and we'll see how much water comes out of the eggplants. Now in the meantime, we're going to prepare our dressing. We're going to use about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, about 1.5 tablespoons of balsamic glaze, pinch of black pepper, pinch of sea salt, and our garlic. I'm going to use about 1.5 cloves. Okay? Get our fork. We'll mix it all up really good. can actually add a little more olive oil to it because we have a lot of eggplant. It smells really good. You can smell that balsamic glaze and the olive oil just coming together. You want to whisk it really fast so that you can get the olive oil and the balsamic glaze to blend. Fantastic. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes. Let's take a look and see how much water came out of the eggplant. Quite a bit, as you can see. There's a lot of water in there. Now we're going to rinse the salt off of our eggplants. Okay, now that I've rinsed them off, I'm going to place them on this paper towel here. Just pad dry them down a little bit. You don't have to go crazy about it, just a little bit. Pad dry them. Okay, the grill is nice and hot, and we're going to transfer our eggplants to the grill. You don't have to grill them for very long. You just want to see the lines on the back, and then you turn them right over. And feel free to push them down if you want. You can press them down. Those are the lines we're looking for right there. See that? Just like that. And that's exactly what you're looking for right there. If you can see this one here. Okay, and here we have our beautiful eggplants. Now we're going to put our dressing on them. And mix it up really good. Our balsamic olive oil glaze. Just do it with a spoon. Make sure each piece gets a little garlic, a little olive oil, a little balsamic. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, you could just smell how beautiful the taste. You could just smell how beautiful they are as the garlic hits them and the heat starts to melt the garlic down and just give a beautiful flavor. Let's taste our beautiful eggplant with our beautiful dressing on it. It's time. It's that time to taste this with Frank Gallo grilled eggplant. Here it is. Are you ready? Want some? I'll bet. Here we go. Wow, delicious, incredible. Did you see how easy that was, folks? Eggplant, sea salt, black pepper, garlic, olive oil, balsamic glaze. End of story. Easy. 5 minutes. That's all it takes. 5 minutes. One more bite. Gotta have that second bite. Wow. Guys, I want to thank you very much for watching this episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo, Mama Gallo's grilled eggplants with balsamic glaze and olive oil garlic dressing. I need you to like this video. I need you to subscribe to my channel so that I can continue to bring you all of Mama Gallo's great recipes, amazing recipes. But most of all, most important thing in this world to me, I love you, Mama. Rest in peace. Thank you for everything.